Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's day 11 of my Tag a Day November. For my tag today, it is a shaker tag. So I did have some This Calls for Confetti in Prism 4-point stars and Fallen Snow. And then I used this fun Sunny Studio Joyful Holiday cardstock paper. And then I used the Sunny Studio Mini Matte and Tag Dies number 3. So I used this one. And then since I am doing it to coordinate with the Craft and Kimmy sneak peek of the day, we are sneak peeking Snowball Fight, which is just so much fun. This little bird snowman gets me, and the bunny, and just so much fun. So I put together a quick little tutorial of how I did it. I'm going to insert that here, and then I'll be back to share the tag and card. So it's really easy. You tape the dies together so they create the same shape. I cut out all the layers, glue it together, putting the acetate underneath that top layer, add the confetti, and you have a shaker tag. All right, so the card that I made today for the Craft and Kimmy sneak peek was this one. Friends warm the coldest of days, and it is a shaker. And then just on the inside there, look at that little snowman bird. So cute, so cute. And then the tag that I made to go with it is also a shaker. And I added that extra layer. Last shaker tag that I made, I only added 6 layers. This time I added 7, and it worked out so much better. Just want to shake it. So pretty. Love that. This calls for confetti. There's the back. Use my favorite ribbon again. And it's just so fun. So there is my card and my tag for today. And this stamp set will be releasing tomorrow afternoon in the Craft and Kimmy shop. All the information is linked below. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 12. Go do something fun. Go do something crafty. Why not make a tag? Bye.